And this one, the top one, is the brake light. Go ahead and pull it out. And you can see it's all burnt up. You can see the bulbs burnt here. I'm going to replace it with the Bright Star brake lights. I took my wife out to lunch the other day, and on our way home, a guy pulled up next to us and started frantically yelling. He's like, "Hey, hey, hey, your brake light's out. You better get that fixed or the cops are going to pull you over and give you a ticket." And I sure don't want that to happen. So I got these Bright Star brake lights, and I'm going to go ahead and replace them. This is a 2014 Toyota Highlander. To replace the brake lights, we need to take this housing off right here to get to the brake lights. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that real quick. So the first step is to get these two screws out. Screws hold the tail light in right here. These are 10 millimeters, so I got my 10 millimeter ratchet. I'm going to go ahead and put an extender on here so it'll be a little bit easier to get to it. I just put an extension on here so that I can go ahead and twist this off real quick. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Try not to drop the bolts like I did. It's down there somewhere. That's what they look like. There's a plastic clip that holds the light on, and the slats go this direction. So just push on it. That's the clip that holds it on. And this one, the top one, is the brake light. Go ahead and pull it out. And you can see it's all burnt up. You can see the bulbs burnt here. I'm going to replace it with the Bright Star brake lights. You can see the nibs here, how it goes. I think it can only go in one way. Go ahead and test it out. Looks like it goes in either way, so I'm not quite sure if I did it right. I'm going to go ahead and test it out. I'm going to step on the brake lights. Looks like it's working. I can see it in the rearview mirror. Let's see if this can go either way. I'll try reversing it. Okay, so now I'll step on the brake light again. So it looks like with this particular brake light, it doesn't really matter. You can put it in either way, and it works. And then we're just gonna put it back in here. It's a locking mechanism to lock it. And then you want to line this bracket up with this clip right here. And you know it's in because it won't come loose. It feels really tight. Now I'm just going to put these screws back in. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So I'm just going to reverse the wrench. Looks like they're in nice and tight. I'm going to change the other one over here. If one went out, the other one's probably going to go out too. So just push on it to release the clip. Got some dirt in here. It's the top one, and we just turn it to loosen it. This one's still good, but it is a little dark here, and the other one went out, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace them both since I got new bulbs. And then, like I was saying, I don't think it matters what direction you put these in, but I'm going to go ahead and test it out just to be safe. It looks like it's working, so I'm just going to push it back in here. Lock it in place. And then I'm going to push this bracket into this clip. And you know it's in because you can feel it's nice and snug. Now I just need to put the screws back in. Make sure you reverse your wrench. And the socket I did on here was a 10 mm was the size. All right, there we go. Okay, that one works. And that one works. So I double checked it, triple checked it, and everything looks good. All right, there you go. That's how you replace your brake lights in your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Yeah, these Bright Star brake lights are pretty nice.